Hello, so we're here on lecture one for this module three, and we have our guest speaker, Anita Alush, nurse practitioner in Palo Alto, California. So we're excited to have her. Thank you for being here, Anita. Um, so we have two questions for you. You're a youth primary care nurse practitioner, pediatric, right? So the first question we're going to ask you is, what does primary care look like for different age groups?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So for pediatrics, a lot of it is preventative care, so especially immunization. So we need to start giving immunization starting at 2 months of age, and then it's like every 2 months and quite regularly. That's a big part of what we do is trying to get our community vaccinated to prevent chronic diseases. So the other things we do are like a lot of like weight and height and like growth measures. So that's mostly what we're doing for youth is just kind of like checking on growth and development. And then later in life, a lot of things that come up are blood pressure, diabetes, that sort of thing. So
wait, 1 second. Let's go next to adolescent and young adult.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So for adolescents, again, immunizations is a big one. We're really pushing for the HPV vaccine right now to prevent cervical cancer. And then another one is access to confidential services. So here in California, they have certain rights as adolescents. They can come and be seen for sex, drugs, alcohol, and mental health without a parent. And so we're kind of teaching them that they can come in and that we have services available for them that are free. So like STD checks and contraception. So one of the things that I learned how to do is to place Nexplanon, which is a long-acting contraceptive device that goes in the inside of the arm and lasts for 3 years. So it's a really good option for teens that can't remember to take pills and don't really want to think about preventing pregnancy but don't want to be pregnant. So that's a big thing we do for adolescents.
Awesome. And how about just regular adults, sort of pre?
So yeah, adults is a lot of lifestyle stuff. So like trying to make sure you're not smoking and eating healthy and exercising regularly. A lot of adults have like increased stress with work, and so kind of trying to figure out ways that they can combat that and still have time to do what they enjoy. Yeah. And then with the older ones, I'm not as familiar with. I do a lot of pediatrics. So.
But I think you were probably right on when you said blood pressure checks, chronic disease management, that kind of thing.
Yeah. So there's a lot of that. I think a lot of it is like trying to maintain a high quality of life, and sometimes it gets difficult the more medications you take. And so that's one of the things that they deal with a lot is like trying to make sure everyone is taking their medications if they're on them and preventing worsening of their outcomes.
And in the adult group, it's probably screenings and stuff like that too.
Yeah, I think they do like a lot of cancer screenings, like mammograms for the females and colon cancer screenings, and then they do checks for cholesterol and diabetes and blood pressure. So,
Thank you. And in our last few minutes before you have to go and see patients, will you tell us a little bit about care coordination and patient advocacy?
Absolutely. So with care coordination, it actually has become a big part of our job in primary care, just because we have kids with chronic illnesses who may be followed by specialists, but they're not making it to their appointments or they're not taking their medications, and it's difficult for them to get to these appointments because it's harder to get in with specialists, and a lot of the time they don't speak the language. So for example, our clinic is majority Spanish speaking, and so everyone here in the clinic speaks Spanish, but not everybody in the specialty clinic at Stanford does. So being able to coordinate with the specialist is a big thing. So like I always check to see, were you able to go to your appointment with the pulmonologist no, why not? Oh, they don't have transportation. So getting transportation coordinated and getting them that appointment scheduled before they leave, because also sometimes their phones will be off, or they won't get the calls. So making sure that those appointments are set up is a big part of it. And we understand those barriers a little bit better than the specialists do, and we're able to check in with them more frequently. So yeah, care coordination is a big one, and a lot of it is advocating for our patients to say, no, they really do need to be seen. I know they've no-showed for 3 appointments, but they're gonna make it this time, I swear. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you for sharing. I guess it sounds like you all do a lot of work with the social determinants. We've been talking about it in the last 2 modules of this class. What kind of social factors um, lead to health problems and things like that. So it sounds like you guys deal with that a lot.
We do, and it's really difficult because there are very few resources available to kind of address the issues that come up a lot. So we have a large immigrant population, and if they had any trauma they experienced coming over the border, there's not a lot out there for them. We have a very small behavioral health team, and so we can refer them, but those traumas can cause problems throughout their lives. There's really interesting research about adverse childhood events, and they have basically, the more of them you experience, the more likely you're going to have chronic diseases later in life, and even a shorter life expectancy. So that's something we're still trying to figure out how to address and how to get these kids to be more resilient.
Wow. Thank you for sharing, and I'll let you go. I know you're super busy, so have a great day.